Welcome again to Winemaking 101, where I try and answer the fundamental, the basic, the most commonly asked home winemaking questions in under 2 minutes. If you're enjoying these videos and find them useful, please subscribe to the channel and check out the rest of the playlist where I answer all of the questions in 2 minutes, or try to at least. Right then, this question. Do I need to use brewing sugar to make wine? So let's set the timer. Good job, and off we go. Right then, you will often see if you use a wine kit, it says to use brewing sugar to add to your wine. Do you need to use it? No. So why are they telling you to use it? Simple answer, but first of all we need to know the difference between normal granulated table sugar and brewing sugar. Table sugar is sucrose, and yeast needs to break down the sucrose into the carbohydrates that it can turn into alcohol. Therefore, it has to work harder. Brewing sugar, on the other hand, is dextrose, and the yeast do not need to break down the dextrose in the brewing sugar to turn it into alcohol. They can get to work sooner. So wine kits, they are based on speed. That's their selling point. Make a wine in 7 days. The less the yeast need to work, the sooner they can turn sugar into alcohol. Product finished. You are happy, you can drink your wine kit in 7 days. If you're making country wines, on the other hand, speed is not a big factor. The longer you leave your wines, the better. So you don't mind the yeast doing more work. Also, another thing, dextrose, brewing sugar, is not as sweet as table sugar, granulated sugar, or caster sugar, brown sugar, normal sugar. So if you add brewing sugar to your wine, it's not going to come out sweet at all. You don't have the alcohol content without the sweetness. Generally, a lot of the fruit and veg used for country wine, they need that sweetness. So if you add brewing sugar, your wine is going to taste not very sweet at all. And that's why wine kits say to use dextrose, brewing sugar, because they have formulated that kit to be the right sweetness for that variety of wine that you've bought the kit to replicate. So if you add sugar, table sugar, your kit wine is going to be extra sweet, too sweet to be that type of wine that you've paid money for. Now, 2 minutes, have they been? Let's double check. I think I've run over again. If you have any questions about winemaking that you would like me to answer, let me know down in the comments below and check out the next video.